setTimeOut function in JavaScript helps us to simulate a delay, and I'm going to show you a practical example of how setTimeout can be useful as well. But first, let's understand what setTimeout itself is. So let's call setTimeout like this. Now setTimeout function, since it is a function, we need to call it like this. Now setTimeout expects two arguments from us. First is the callback function that will hold some code that we want to execute, and second is the time reference. So here I'm going to provide 2000. This 2000 simply means a delay of 2 seconds. So this 2000 is 2000 milliseconds. So whatever you will write inside this, let's say I'm going to write hi. So this hi will be printed after 2 seconds. If I save this script, down here you can see after 2 seconds we got this hi printed, right? Now let's say that we have to simulate a delay like a data coming from a database. We don't want to work with original database. We can simulate an exact replica of a data coming from a database. Let's say I want to have a data. I am expecting a data from my database like my name. Okay, and I want to work with it. setTimeout is a perfect use case to simulate something like, so somehow I did not printed data. So now you see after 2 seconds our data will be printed. You saw that? Now this is a very simple use case of setTimeout. But there is one more use case, and that is to explain how we used to have callback and how that callback leads us to callback hell, and then we understand promise, and then we understand async await. So we need to understand setTimeout. setTimeout is pretty important if we want to understand the basics of JavaScript. And please consider checking the related video where I have explained you callback hell, promises, async await, and the base was this setTimeout function.